Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to build your own website. You don't have to know anything at all to get started here. We're going to take you from ground zero to having a full and functional website. This specific video is going to get you started off, and I'm going to create a series of additional videos that you can follow to get all the other pieces. So we're going to be working with HostGator as our web host. This is the company that I use to host all of my own websites. So follow that link and it will bring you here to the HostGator site, where you will you'll want to hit the web hosting choice here, and then you're going to see this page that you see: hatchling plan, baby plan, and business plan. These are the three different plans that they offer for basic hosting, and you can see the differences in prices. Note this hatchling plan only offers you a single domain, and the other two offer you unlimited domains. What this means is the name of your site. So in the case of HostGator, you can see their domain name is hostgator.com. So that's what we're talking about with the domains. You may only want a single domain initially. Very likely over time you'll have additional domains. And the pricing changes from time to time. You can see they've got discounts right now. $3.95, $5.95, and the business plan is the same, $5.95 at this point. Choose whichever one you want. You can always upgrade or downgrade later if you need to, but I'm going to just start off with the baby plan. So hit sign up now. And then we're just going to fill out this form. No big deal. Register a new domain. Now, if you happen to already have a domain, you can use this "I already own this domain" tab, but we're going to assume that you don't. So you're going to create a name for yourself. So I'm going to just type, well, we don't want those characters. Type in a random bunch of characters for my domain name, and then choose, do you want .com, .net, .online, or what? We're going to go with .com, and you're going to see that it shows this is available. It's been added to my account now, so I can have this domain name, and it gives me a list of other domains that I could choose to use if I wanted to. I'm going to leave those off for now. And then down here, domain privacy. This is an important one to understand. If you choose to not buy domain privacy, what that means is the further information that you show on this page, your information about your address, your physical address, your email address, your phone number, those are going to be available to anybody on the internet who wants to look it up. So if you look up this domain name.com with "who is," it will tell the world who I am. So you don't need to use that domain privacy if you don't mind your address being visible to the world, but if you want it hidden, then go ahead and choose domain privacy. What kind of plan do you want? We've already chosen this, of course, but you can change it here if you wish. Billing cycle, again, you'll see that depending on how long you pay up front, you get a different amount of discount. If you choose just 1 month, it's $12 a month. For 36 months, it's half that much. Note that these are two different things, though. You're paying for the name up here, okay? So that's $12.95 for the first year. Down here, what you're paying for is the hosting, and the name is literally just the name, whereas the hosting is the place where the files live that your website will be built on. So HostGator has computers in a building somewhere that your actual website will live on, and the name that you use, the domain that you register, will be the way that the internet finds its way to those files. So we've chosen to pay just for 1 month here. Give a username of your choosing, a security PIN of your choosing. Obviously, fill out the billing information. There are some additional services. I don't use any of these. Whoops. Where we go? I don't use any of these additional services, so but read through them and see if they make any sense to you. If you want to use them, go ahead. There's an automatic coupon code entered here, and the total cost. So my first month will be $24.90. Each additional month is going to be this $11.95 that I'm paying here. And of course, if I want to spend the money up front and go out for 36 months, then that's going to be a much higher first payment. But now that's going to cover my first full 3 years of hosting. I'm still going to have this $12.95 a year for every year. And in fact, I think it will go up to $15 a year after the first year. So that's all you need to do. You're going to click I've read and agree and check out. When you do that, HostGator is going to send you an email, and that email is going to look something like this one. Hello, whoever you are. It's going to say you can log into your billing system with this location and the password, and it's going to be the email address that you used that is going to be your login for that. Now that's the billing portal. The billing portal is basically where you can go to update your credit card information or buy additional domains or whatever else. So you won't use that all that often. What you'll use much more frequently is this control panel address, and you'll have a different username and password for that. So those are the bits of information you're going to want to actually manage your website itself. So when we go to that control panel link, it's going to bring us to something like this. So at this point, when you get to this control panel, you now have a website of your own. There's nothing on it yet, and that's okay. We've now set up your website and or set up your web hosting service. So we're going to end this video and check out the next video to see the process by which you start installing things on your website so that you can use it for whatever purpose you want. So I hope all of this has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them as quickly as I can. Thanks again. Have a great day. Cheers.